second part of VLAN trunking, and in this video we'll see how DTP works, dynamic trunking protocol. So in the previous video what we did is we made the switch port modes as trunk for both the interfaces FA0/3 and FA0/3 of both switches. But actually if we convert any one switch's mode as auto desirable or dynamic auto, it will still work. So let's see how it works. So let's see what is actually the interface switch port right now is. So for that we'll enter command as show interface switch port. So here we can see first interface FA0/1 is static access. For FA0/2 again it's access, and for FA0/3 it's trunk, because in the previous video we made both switches FA0/3 as trunk. So let's exit from here. Now let's enter configuration mode, config terminal. Now interface FA0/3. Now what we'll do is we'll change the mode from trunk to dynamic auto. So by default any interface is dynamic auto. So let's regain that state. So interface FA0/3. Now we'll do switch port mode dynamic auto. Right. So now we'll send packet. Now here we can see switch 1's FA0/3 is already trunk. Now we can change switch second switch's mode from trunk to dynamic auto. Now let's send the packet. See, you can see even after changing from trunk to dynamic auto, it's still successful. So now let's change this dynamic auto to dynamic desirable. So now it's dynamic desirable. So now let's again check the packet if it's working or not. So it's still working. And if we change this which is FA0/3 from trunk to, let's say, dynamic desirable. So config enable. First let's enter privilege mode, config terminal, interface FA0/3. So it's already what it is, it's trunk. So let's change it, switch port mode dynamic desirable. Now both are dynamic desirable right now. So let's see if packet is working. So you can see when you have made the switch ports, both switch ports interfaces that are connecting them as dynamic desirable, it's still working. Now the thing is, if you make both as dynamic desirable, it will work. If you make any one as a trunk and one as auto, it will work. If you make both trunk, it will work. But when you make both as dynamic auto, it will not work. So let's see if it's making them dynamic auto. So dynamic auto, and by default any interface is dynamic auto. So this is dynamic auto, and even make this as dynamic auto. So now let's check if it's working. It will not work because dynamic auto needs one as either trunk or as desirable. So delete this first message. Now let's send packet from PC0 to PC2. So it will fail. So you can see it's failed here, because with dynamic auto you either need trunk or dynamic desirable to enable the trunking between switches. So that was about dynamic trunking protocol. Thank you.